About 11 months ago, I was riding sweep for the Tour de Cure in Ann Arbor, Michigan. And the guy at the very back of the pack, he and I ended up spending most of the day together riding. And he told me all about this event he had just gotten back from called Gravel Birds in rural Portugal. Brought some good friends into this here sauna, my adventure buddies, and it didn't take long. We all had birthdays during this event next year. And so we sent in our applications, we got approved, our bike bags are packed. There are 3 options for distances this year. We had all originally signed up for the 750, but at the 0 hour, I decided to move up to the XL. So I'm gonna be doing 1,000K, or 620-ish miles. And those 2 are gonna be doing the 750K. We're gonna head to the airport and fly for 11 hours. And I guess I'll see you in Portugal.
Thick red mud just caked everything. Hard to keep traction. Now the sun has come out, seems to be drying off these roads, and it is fixing to be a beautiful day in Portugal.
Don't know if I can find my way out.
Yeah, obrigado! Yeah! Ah! 115K. The rain has intensified. But the good news, I think my bike might actually get cleaned. Maybe even my legs.
Ended up booking a hotel in Évora at 200K. Had pizza for dinner. Realized I was so covered in mud. Everything I owned was super gross. Needed to be washed, including myself. And we're in Portugal, so hotel room's pretty cheap. So there's I saw like 10 other bikes parked here. So there's a lot of us here. Talked to a few of them. And everybody was saying it was a hard day. And I suppose that's true. It rained something like 9 or 10 times. 2 of those were really serious rains. And just turned the road into muck and mud. Not really like normal mud that I've seen before. It was very thick, just held on to everything. I think I lubed my chain something like 8 times today. But 200K down. Try to do another 200 tomorrow. And hopefully it doesn't rain as much. Get ready and go to bed. I'll see you guys in the morning.
Welcome to the morning of day 2. It rained a ton last night. Pretty glad I chose a hotel. Now we're gonna leave Évora, the great beyond. Look out. Hey, aí. Obrigado. That's bad. Just finished checkpoint 1. My second time of the event having to walk. But according to my GPS, it says 22% grade, so I don't feel too bad.
The fortune lady told my mama before I saw the sun, said your boy's gonna love too hard and break more than one. He gonna make sweet women laugh and cry, laugh and cry, laugh and cry, in a whole wide world. Laugh and cry. Gonna ask him why, laugh and cry. But you know I'm torn. Everybody knows I'm torn. Yeah, you know I'm a midnight man. Everybody knows I'm torn.
Good job, sheep.
I got a black cat charm.
All right. Ooh, I can go around. Whoa. Lucky. A little highway section, and car going the other direction was going the fastest I've seen a car go so far, like triple the speed limit, and it was a BMW. Guess it doesn't really matter where in the world you are. Some things are always the same. Got him. Take that, BMW drivers. Got 345 Ks down, which is 5 more than I need to be on pace for 6 days. Needed 340 today. However, I just got burned by the siestas. 2 restaurants in town, both are closed until 7 p.m. for siesta. It is 5:15, which means I gotta keep on trucking to the next town to get dinner. And there's really a pizza place. I was gonna eat a whole pizza, and they're closed. So that's a bit of a bummer. We'll keep on keeping on, I suppose.
Oh, all right, day 2. Day 1 was defined by rain. Day 2 will be defined by wind. Sustained 35 mile an hour headwinds for 150K. Pretty much anytime we were going south or west, we were just into the wind. Otherwise, lovely day. There was a big section early that was very sandy, and it rained on us this morning, and it just caked everything in sand. I've gone through 2 ounces of chain lube in 2 days, which is crazy. And I'm at 370K now. Ideally tomorrow across the 500 mark. Highlights of today were that town at the top of the mountain. It just looked like it was 1,000 years old. The cool church. Going through olive country, Mora, where they had a running with the bulls today. It was after I was there. It was scheduled for like 7 hours later, so I couldn't exactly stay. But yeah, this place is beautiful. These trails are hard and legit, and I'm excited to see what's coming. Pretty crazy to think I've only like 35% done with this ride, but I guess that's ultra.
welcome.
I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby, I'm certain, ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we gon' bring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash.
Welcome to home for the night. Hard day, man. Day 3. Did 155 Ks. Man, fought for every one of them. The national park we went through, stunningly beautiful, right after Serpa, but it was hard. Every mile, every K out there was tough. And then the rest of the day had a little bit of a headwind. Otherwise, it was really, really quite nice. My feet hurt. Couldn't figure that out, but they've been wet for 3 days, so it makes sense that we got a little trench foot. But now we know what the problem is. Switch socks, dry these dogs off tonight, and it's gonna be a lovely night for some bivy camping. All right, I'm gonna get ready for bed. See you guys in the morning.
Morning. It's the morning of day 4. Had a lovely sleep in Lavadoros. Possibly the best sleep I've had of the whole trip. Ready to crank out some miles today. Goal is to get to 650 Ks. So far, the first 20K has been hero gravel. And that's something to be thankful for. Beautiful valley. Windy. Top of this big bluff, it is raining hard. Look at that wind turbine chugging away. This is going to be a wet descent. What you get when you let your heart break. Whoa! There's a restaurant up ahead. Very excited. Cheese, bread, olives. Yeah, those things. Oh, and water. Almost out of water. 585 Ks, baby. Woo! Feeling good. Sun's out. It stopped raining. We're doing good. I am on my 3rd in a row of these extremely steep hike-up sections. Grade says 22. This one's not as steep as the last one. I couldn't record it. It was so steep I couldn't keep my footing. Man, it's beautiful up here on these bluffs, but it's harder than hell to get up here.
All right, day 5. Did 500K through 640. So technically I'm 30K short of my goal if I was doing 170K each day to finish in 6 days. But lesson 1 or 30 of this is that not all miles are made equal. Today had some big boy climbs and some really rough sections that slowed me down a lot. That's it for now. We'll see you guys in the morning.
You're 555, then I'm 666. 666 Ks. We should be really close to the Atlantic. I'll show it to you. Well, I found a beautiful spot for lunch. Down there. I can't turn you off if I take my hands off the handlebars. Oh, all right. All right. You win, sand. Okay, I'm ready for the sand. I got Coke, got a sandwich, and I got the new Pizza Fire album. I'm ready to walk for a few hours. It's 1:30. See how long this takes. Bicker, bicker, paddle. Let the battle babble. Bicker, bicker, paddle. Fun fact about Portuguese. Sandwich is sando. So you can say, I'm crushing a sando. And you're speaking Portuguese. Hey, I think this left turn is the end of the sand. Back towards the Atlantic. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, time check. I went in there at 1:30. It is 2:12. 42 minutes to do 4K. I mean, not my fastest, but I'll take it. Come on. Let's go. Look at all these butterflies. They seem to be all over this tree, this bush. They're everywhere. By the way, these are the little bastards that got my arm the other day. Jerks. All right, I am all set up for the night. Under that little tree there. It's kind of off in the corner of this little village. At 790 Ks, I had a small crash in a rut. It was getting dark. Didn't have my headlamp on yet, and just caught my tire in a rut that I couldn't see the bottom of. Not a big crash, just fell on my left shoulder. Nothing broke, nothing hurt. And I was like, I'm done. Not riding in the dark. I suppose I owe an official day 5 recap. What the hell was that scream? It's like a horse being murdered. Anyway, day 5 recap. Started off really good out of Odemira and finally got to the coast. Oh, the Atlantic was beautiful. And then my first flight on the coast, when I landed the drone, I broke a prop. And then I got one more flight out of it, which was an epic shot. And then it crashed from having a broken prop, and that was the end of that. Now it won't fly anymore.
I don't know. If I get another 160 tomorrow, that means I'm staring down 40 more to finish. And maybe that's worth pushing into the dark for to finish. It probably is. But those decisions will come tomorrow. I am going to go to bed. Good night. I'll see you guys in...
Hello. Welcome to the morning of day 6. We are up at dawn because, man, I had a very wild thing happen last night. Hindsight, should have known. But had a nice little campsite right on the corner of town. Was looking for a spot. It was like, oh, flat, nice grass. And turns out there's a reason for that nice grass. Because at 12:30 a.m., the sprinkler system came on and just drenched me. I was able to mitigate that sprinkler system and get it to turn away from me. But like, it had already woken me up, made me wet and cold, and took me well over an hour to go back to sleep. One of the race organizers just caught me at the top of this big climb and said I missed checkpoint 4. I have to go back 3K, so just over 6K out of my way, up this big climb again to go get my stamp, which sucks. This is cool. Old ruins. And they just decided to build a road through it. Neato. These pastries. Pastry de nata. Specific to Portugal. I got like a custard. Oh, good. Well, hard to eat on these roads. Well, there's a will, there's a way. Ah, Benzimo!
Oh my gosh.
Hey, dude.
It's good to see you.
Oh, man, how you doing? What's wrong with your bike?
These are about the biggest dogs we've seen.
Yeah, those ones were pissed. Benvenuto, Donna! Yeah. What a perfect end. On this set. And I just got a beep a boop for 1,000 Ks. Oh, thank you. That was hard.
Yeah. Yes, you did. I'm sorry not to be here, but I saw you in GPS and you were in the
Oh, good job, gentlemen. Yeah! Woo!
We made it.
Hey! Woo! Yay, Kramers!
Oh, that must have been the best welcome so far today.
Let's go, Portuguese. Come on. Hey, Maria!
Oh, I've been home for 2 days. I'm still wrecked. But yeah, what an absolutely gorgeous place to ride a bike for a week. Just every different, the biodiversity was crazy. You'd be riding through these huge olive farms, then grape farms, and there were like the organic style olive farms where it was all natural grass and the trees were spaced all out, and then there was the ones that were just like clearly industrial farming, equally placed, huge endless rows, but just beautiful. And then just tons of natural steppe, just that endless grass. And after 4 days of rain, all that grass was just gorgeous. There were all the flowers popped open, and it was, yeah, really the perfect time of year to do it. The route was well thought out. Yeah, gave me a ton of ideas on what we can do here in the Rockies. And yeah, what a great experience. Couldn't recommend it enough. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you next time.